Why do we yawn? And why can't we stop once we start? Let's find out. Yawning, it's something we all do. But did you know yawning isn't just about being tired? Scientists think it helps cool down our brains. When we yawn, we take in a big gulp of air. This rush of cool air helps lower the brain's temperature, keeping it sharp and alert. But that's not all. Yawning is also super contagious. When you see someone yawn, you're likely to yawn too. Why? It's all about empathy. Our brains are wired to mimic others, a trait that helps us connect and bond. So next time you yawn, remember it's your brain's way of cooling down and staying sharp. And if you start a yawning chain reaction, you're just showing how empathetic you are. Stay curious, stay yawning, and keep those brains cool. See you next time.